going.
Okay, so I've got a Conibear set in a culvert here, and culverts are really very good for coon and skunks, and porcupines live in them. And we don't have anything in this case. I don't know if you can see, but we got trails coming from every direction. They're going down in here. And apparently right now nothing's using it. I've had it set for 2 nights and no catch, but that could change. That could change very quickly. And culverts are deadly, always have been deadly. They're good on mink as well, woodchucks, you name it. Animals use culverts, and so it's just a perfect place for a Conibear. And I've got it blocked in some. That animal, he's going to walk right through that and trigger that thing off, and it'll be dead. Okay, this is that culvert that we set here 2 days ago, and these are hot trails, and we did connect with a raccoon. And he's stuck in here. When I say stuck, I can't pull him out, which is a good thing because you can't see him from the road. Perfect head catch. And the one thing to remember with these Conibears, it's not like they don't know they're there. You're just encouraging them to crawl through them just like they would a woven wire fence. And we'll compress these springs and put the safeties on them. I mentioned the other day I don't use safeties. Well, on the smaller Conibears I do, because they don't have them on the springs. These have safeties on the springs. Once those safeties are taken off, that's when you really be careful. Okay, so we're pulling traps today, and I'm going to go start coyote trapping. Anyway, I'm going to pull out the support made by Barker's trapping tools, and we'll throw this coon in the truck, and then I'm going to show you something else here, how I keep track of what's in and what's out. Okay, I've got this marked on my GPS, which rides on my windshield. It's like playing a video game, getting around to your locations. You have to be very religious to it. When I say that, if you forget to take one off, you end up driving 4 or 5 miles the other way to double check and make sure you pulled it. So we're going to delete this one. That's as easy as that. It's a very, very useful tool, and I carry a handheld one for snaring.
The perfect hunting and fishing companion, your Wiebe knife, designed by sportsmen for sportsmen. Maintain precision control and a solid grip even after the knife gets bloody and messy. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 replacement blades free and guaranteed $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at WiebeKnives.com.